Alright, so I know what you're thinking. Can I really make my own Flux 2? Can I make my very own Ghost Music Box? What about a REM pod? The answer is yes. It's simple. I can do it, you can do it. But soldering? Believe me when I say I was in the same boat as you. Whenever soldering was involved, I wanted nothing to do with it. It's hard. Wrong. It's not hard. I have a video for each. Building your own Flux 2 device. Building your own REM pod. Building your own Ghost Music Box. Each one costs maybe 20 to 50 bucks. 20 or 50 bucks. It's a lot better than $400 to $600. Each one of my DIY paranormal equipment builds, they're step by step. When it comes to soldering, I show you tricks. Let me just say, if I can do it, you can do it. The REM pod I show you how to build, it is so sensitive that you can get within 4 feet of it and it will go off. I use all my builds in my investigations, and so can you.